Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Ipsy Plus, so let's check it out. This is my Ipsy Plus for June 2020, so let's go ahead and get right in here. In case you don't know, Ipsy Plus is the $25 mid-range product from Ipsy. They have the $12 original bag, which generally comes with 5 deluxe samples, and sometimes there's a full-size product instead. There is this one that is $25, and it comes with 5 full-size products, and then there is the Ultimate, and that is a $50 box, but it comes with 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe samples. So, opening up my Plus, this is what it looks like. Ta-da! And I already know what's in here. I knew the way it's been going with Ipsy lately, I could not count on the information that we all wanted to know being in this card. So I went ahead and went on the app and wrote down all the information that I thought we needed to know, pricing and that kind of thing. Because, yep, no information. So I have all of the information we need written down. So let's just reach right in and see what I've got in here. Right on top, I have the Tula Probiotic Skincare, and it is the Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel Broad Spectrum SPF 30, and it is UVA and UVB protection. Oh, it looks holographic. Uh-oh, one of those days. Let's get in here and see what it looks like. And the tube is yellow, just like the box, and all of these products will be full-sized. Let me tell you what I wrote down about this one. The Tula Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen SPF 30 Gel, $36. Days of sunscreen feeling thick and chalky. That's over. The gel is totally weightless and leaves skin with a subtle sheen. It includes wild butterfly ginger root that shields skin from blue light, which causes inflammation and accelerated aging. I found that part very interesting when I was writing it down because we spend, I shouldn't speak for the group, I spend so much time with my iPad just watching YouTube videos and everything else that I think it's fantastic that it's going to protect us from blue light. So let's see what this feels like since it's a gel and not going to be chalky. Oh, it still kind of looks like a cream and it's just yellow. But see how it looks like a cream? When we rub it in, it was kind of moussey once I started touching it. But the minute you touch it, it just basically vanishes. It feels really smoothing. Can you see how nicely and easily they are right? It is not at all chalky. It smells nice. It smells like summer, kind of like suntan lotion, but like you're at the beach suntan lotion. Not like copper tone, but kind of that feel. Of course, this is going to be on your face, but I think it will pay attention. I think it will probably absorb and not leave you fragranced. It smells nice though. See how glowy it made the back of my hand? And yet it's not greasy at all. All right, we will give this a few minutes and see how it absorbs. Oh, it's almost already absorbed. The only thing that it made me wonder about, and I read the ingredients since I'm going in to write down the information, I thought I would come in pre-gamed with what I can and can't try on, and I can try on everything in this box. It has pineapple and papaya in it. And pineapple and papaya, if you have sensitive skin, they're kind of aggressive. They're usually there to take off dead skin cells and stuff. So we'll have to see if it ends up making my face mad. I have a couple of things to tell you about. I don't know if you can tell, I have a little bit of a red spot there. I have been using, and I told you guys when I did my FabFitFun unboxing that I got that Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizer, and I used it for a few days and my face was loving it. And then all of a sudden, I got bright red spots all over my face. I have quit using it and moved back to my Lala Retro for a few minutes just to calm my face down, and it is pretty much calmed down. But this little thing, it's just under the skin. It's not a pimple, it's just like a rash, and it does not want to let go. And one of the other things I was going to talk about was, if you watched my Beauty with Benefits, the QVC Beauty with Benefits, I bought a Mally set, and this is it. It is the blush, the eyeshadows, the eyeliner, oh, and the lips. I love the lips. It feels so moisturizing. It is fantastic. I'll put the link here in case you want to go back and see the set, but I will probably buy more of these lipsticks because it feels so good. My lips are lined with the Thrive. If you remember that unusual nudie, almost brownie color that I got, that's what I lined my lips with. A, I love everything Thrive. And B, I found a color it works with really well, I think. Okay, enough about that. Back to why we're here. I have next the Nacific Fresh Herb Origin Eye Cream with Calendula. It's a big box. That's what that looks like. It's actually bigger than my hand. Let's get in here. Oh, it's sealed. I love it when they're sealed, and even the box is sealed. When we take it out, it's a nice sized tube. It is a full-size 1.01 ounces. And let's see what I wrote down about it. The Nacific Fresh Herb Eye Cream is $30. Airy texture, cools and soothes on contact to deflate puffiness. Skin brightening ingredients fade dark circles. That was the part that caught my eyes. Hyaluronic acid draws moisture from the air to plump fine lines. And it is a clean cream, which is no parabens, sulfates, alcohol, mineral oil, or artificial fragrances. So this is another one I knew that I could use. So let's check this out. Oh, it's got a cute little seal on it. And we'll put it on this hand. Comes out, you can just get a little bit. I love it when they give eye creams just a tiny little hole for them to come out so that you don't take too much. Oh, it's nice. It smells kind of citrusy. It smells good. I expected it to be very herbal, and it's very citrusy. I like that. It's absorbing super quickly. And it's just gone. I don't know if you guys can tell. That is nice. My skin just drank that up. That is fantastic. Actually, I can tell the difference in my hand from where I put it and where I didn't. I'd say my skin needed it. Before we move on, let me tell you, this is completely absorbed. So that is great for a sunscreen in an SPF 30. It's just absorbed and there's nothing chalky. Reaching in next, I have a Ciate London Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow. And I happen to know that I received this in Wicked. A lot of other people received a nice white creamy one. This one I believe is a purple from when I wrote it down. See, I know all the information. That is what the pot looks like, and you can kind of see underneath it's going to be a dark one. Let's see what I wrote down. Ciate London Marbled Metals Eyeshadow in Wicked, $24. This powder to cream formula coats eyes in metallic purple pigment that won't fade, crease, or dry out. So let's swatch this. And it has a little thing on top to keep it, I think, compressed and maybe a little moist. Inside, it just looks, it's definitely, oh, it's just a cream. It feels, yeah, it's just absolutely, you can see where I've smoothed it. It's absolutely just a cream. That is what mine looks like. Whew, that is dark. Oh, but that is pretty. It's almost duo. It almost, when I tilt, see how I tilt my hand? It kind of goes from a purple to a brown. That is gorgeous. I don't know how I will work that in. You know, I'm just not great with single shadows, but this in the crease with just a nice like white on the lid, and that's kind of, that is, the coverage is fantastic. I will definitely play with this, and I will tell you guys when I have used it. I'll use it on my eyes and let you guys know, kind of like I did today with the Mally. The other thing I should tell you is my hair. See how straight? I keep catching myself in the monitor, and see how straight my hair is? It has come up a couple of times that I use the beach waver on the regular in my videos, because this is my hair. This is the straight that I fight against constantly, and it's so close to my face, and but I just decided to go with it today so you guys would see what I am normally talking about when I say I have straight hair. I am serious. I have straight hair. Reaching in next, I have this month's bag, and that is so cute. It has the same feel as the Ipsy Ultimate one that I talked about and the Ipsy name on the tag. I was saying that this month it feels a little thicker. I like that. I feel like if there were a leak or something went amok, this would seriously contain it. It has the Ipsy tag on the inside and a great zipper. I love switching. I do in my purse normally when I'm leaving the house a lot. I love switching between these bags and kind of staying seasonal with the cosmetics bags in my purses. So I find them to be a lot of fun. Next I have a Bliss Oh My Gommage Gentle Polishing Cleanser. It is 30 grams, which is 1 ounce. And that is what it looks like. Let's see what I wrote down about it, and then we will open it and play with it. Bliss Oh My Gommage Cleansing Stick, $15. Cleansing and exfoliating in 1 stick, safe for all skin types. You know I was going to write that down. The milky formula nourishes to minimize redness and irritation while quickly removing makeup, dirt, and excess oil. Non-abrasive plant exfoliants get rid of dulling dead skin cells to refresh and resurface the skin. I think that's really interesting. I also noticed when I went to the app to find out all of this information so we would have it, they had a video that I went ahead and watched, and it had a girl using this, and she used it as her second cleanse. And I thought that is very interesting. She did a balm to take off her makeup and then followed it with this, and her skin did look fantastic when she was done. So that is what that looks like. We'll take this off. It comes with a little plastic piece over the dome of it. Might be easier to twist it up to take that off. And it just kind of looks like deodorant. I expected it to look rougher, but it just looks like a solid gel compact. Oh, it just feels like oily. It doesn't feel, I don't feel any roughness to it at all. It smells nice, just kind of clean, but see how it just made the back of my hand kind of shiny and oily? I don't feel any roughness. I'm not sure what exfoliates, but I am for sure going to give it a try because they said it was good for all skin types, so that includes me. So I just took my hand to feel it, to see how greasy it was, and when I feel it, I can feel that it's barely grit, but I can feel that it's not completely smooth. And the more I do it, I'm going to show this to you guys, the more I do it, I don't know if you'll be able to see this. I'm getting, I don't know if you can tell, I'm going to do this to camera. Oh, look, maybe like that. See how it's making little, almost like balls? I guess like they want you to think it's dead skin. I hope you can get that somewhere. But that's really interesting. So I wonder if I kept doing this, if it would, I don't feel the exfoliant, and yet somehow I feel like it's exfoliating. It's like magic. Let me wipe it off and see if I'm left with a super soft skin. Oh my goodness. It does feel really, really soft. I'm going to do like I always do and see. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but this hand is so smooth compared to this one. You probably can't see, but wow, that feels fantastic. Oh, it's, I was going to say something and it is glittery, but I bet that's left over from when I swiped off the Ciate London eyeshadow. Okay, moving on to my last product, which was my selection, and it is the Howell's Laboratories lip gloss. And this is Lady Gaga's brand. And this is the Ultra Shine lip gloss, and I got it in Ethereal. And oh, it's so pretty. This is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I hope you guys can, there we go. It is gorgeous. And the color looked like it was going to really work for me. Let's just open this baby right up. Oh, it's a nice, that is so neat looking. It is a clear wand and it's kind of thick. I don't know if you can tell. And the doe foot, see the scoop? It looks like a ballet, like in an on point toe. That is so pretty. I have a lot of lips on, but we're going to put this over top. Because we want to know if it leaves us feeling sticky or goopy. As I recall, when I wrote it down, it said it did not, but like they would say, plus we're really sticky and goopy. I don't think they would. I love, can you guys see? Look at the point that comes to. So it made it really easy to get up in your bow and follow your lip line around. That is so pretty. I hope that you guys can tell that I've glossed my lips now. Let me tell you what I wrote down about it. It is an $18 value. It is a Laureate lip gloss in Ethereal, created by Lady Gaga. This hydrating lip gloss has light reflecting pearl pigments to give lips mirror-like shine, not gooey or sticky. I agree. I don't know if you guys can tell. My lips aren't sticking together at all. Now, granted, I didn't put a lot on, but it did give my lips a nice shine. Yeah, I will definitely use that. Success. I think this was a fantastic box for me. I can use everything in it. I did get mostly skincare, but luckily I chose for myself a nice lippy, and they gave me a nice eyeshadow. I got the Howell's Laboratories lippy. Oh, I was going to be more aware of telling you guys if they told me where this was made. This is made in the USA. We have the Ciate London Marbled Metals, and that is probably made in the UK. I think that's where most of their products are made. Nope, made in China. We have the Oh My Gommage from Bliss, made in Korea. We have the Fresh Herbs from Pacific Eye Cream, made in Korea. And I received the Tula Skincare Sunscreen Gel, and that is made in the USA. Yay! So the total value for my bag was $123, and this is a $25 box. And considering I will try and or use everything that I received, it's got a $123 value to me because I am looking forward to trying every one of these products. And I think that makes it a successful subscription box. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried any of the products, what luck you've had or what luck you haven't had. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. If you like the video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. It helps me with the algorithms. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you guys really soon. Take care and have a great week. Bye, guys.